judge, right?
I'm just getting a coffee. Not no donuts.
Watch the rain as it's falling down.
Good morning. This is day 2 of our trip. We are still on our way to Orlando. Sunday morning.
8:30.
8:30 in the morning. We're headed out of Pensacola and on our way to Orlando.
Stayed at a Red Roof Inn last night. Don't ever recommend doing that again.
Nope.
They have breakfast consisted of cereal and bagels. That's it. Coffee. They had coffee.
Yeah. It was, you know, I don't require a whole lot. I just like good running water and clean. And it was. So I can't complain too much.
It's pretty cheap. Not so
I got
much,
it,
not so much pretty.
Yeah, I got it. I got cheap on Priceline. So, you know, it is what it is. But I think we probably will not stay at a Red Roof again.
All right, Leslie, we made it here. You excited?
Very much, yes.
Here's our room. Very nice. Let's see if they have any kind of view whatsoever. View of the parking lot. That's not what we're here for. Right, Leslie?
Well, our last one didn't have too much of a view, but it was maybe better located.
Yeah. So this is the bathroom. There's a Mickey. So a nice little safe. Closet for all of Leslie's clothes. It's pretty big, decent size. Extra pillow and a blanket. Kitchenette. So we do have a fridge. Decent size fridge. That's good. And microwave. Some plates, some spoons. It's all paper. So it says, I only hope that we don't lose sight of one thing, that it was all started by a mouse. Walt Disney. Okay, video, and okay, it is 7 o'clock in the morning, and it looks lighter in the camera than it actually is. It's actually pretty dark right now.
Yeah, it's dark.
So this is our first day. We're trying to get an early start so that we can get some good rides in early morning hours, because the park doesn't.
Yes, extra magic hours.
Extra magic hours, because the park doesn't open to the public till 9. But if you stay in a Disney resort, then you can go in as early as 6 o'clock at Hollywood Studios. All right, so that's what we're doing now. Bye. The sky is crazy nice. Look at that little place there. The infamous gate. Yes. Yeah.
Look, he's holding the little kid's hand. What's that little kid thinking of that?
That's awesome. super cool. Yeah. This is crazy awesome. Like it, Leslie?
Yeah.
Recognize that ship?
Oh no, those are very fast and very profitable expeditions. You back at my fine furry friend. Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance and I get all the profits. The first lord will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind.
This is our breakfast. This has got some
Overnight oats with fresh fruit and a smoothie.
I got mook juice. Whatever that is. It's pretty crazy. Pretty cool place. That's nuts.
Make sure that droid sticks to sightseeing. Shame to wipe those databanks.
I like their guns.
That's affirmative. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm here. Have a great time.
Okay, now march double time. That means faster double time. Now triple time. Now hammer time. Start says stop. You can't touch this. No, you can. Give them another round of applause.
Hey everybody, who's your favorite toy?
Here's a hint. My name is Mr. Potato Head. Okay?
Teenagers prepare for a secluded slumber party. Terror strikes from the bottom of the sea. An invasion of ghoulish atomic beasts who will eat human blood.
Alright, so it's raining now. We live in Hollywood Studios because we're going to Animal Kingdom, right?
That's right.
Because we're gonna catch a few things. So I'm gonna hop underneath the umbrella because it's getting a little wet. Disney's Animal Kingdom. We made it, Leslie. Leslie? Oh, she's trying to get a picture. Like your shirt.
Yeah, see, this is the park to wear Hakuna Matata.
Got Black Swan.
Look at this swan.
I don't even see you right there.
That's pretty.
There it is.
There it is.
Your choice, my choice, you can recommend me and I can go on an adventure. You can go on a wildlife cruiser. I'm looking ready to chase some animals down there. And I'm just like, it shapes looks so much good.
Caraboonie. Caraboonie does mean welcome. So, John, my friends, welcome aboard. Slide all the way. Thank you.
Now those guys also can eat up to half their body weight in a single meal. So let's go poly-poly very slowly over this bridge. I want to go swimming with them again. Maybe if you lift your camera, yeah, good idea, that's good. Those spotted hyenas are really cool. They're actually born with their eyes open and with already emerging teeth. Now we're gonna come over to this little group of giraffes. Now a group of giraffes is called a tower. So we're coming over here to a tower. These ones are baby giraffes on the left, those two up top. There's a few of them over here though, of all these giraffes, look at them.
Hello.
Now these are Maasai giraffes. Because of their spots, we can tell that. See how their spots are kind of jagged, not really perfect circles for spots? That's why they are Maasai giraffes. They're also the tallest animals in the world. Giraffes will be born at about 6 feet tall, and they can get up to about 20 feet tall. A ton of them over here.
Man. It is pouring down. Oh my goodness. Oh look, look. They're walking by the. They're walking by it.
That would make me so nervous.
We might need to wait. A little standoff thing going on right there.
Wow, that is big.
These guys get really playful. I love watching the white rhinos.
Oh my God, it's getting all wet.
I'll sting your